This is the Safari Ray 67 centimeter medium size bag that I ordered from Amazon. Got it for about 2,600, something like that, in offer. Made of hard polycarbonate, blue in color. Let me try to open this. So it says it is medium size, 67 centimeters, but it is kind of small. Let me try to show you the exact size. So it is not that big, it is kind of compact. So if you think it is big, then it is not that big. Let me quickly open it up. So this is how it looks. Color is quite good. Material is polycarbonate, scratch proof, decent build, feels durable, but again I'm telling you, it is not that big. For example, let me quickly show you with an example. This is my laptop, full-size laptop, and now you can see how big it is. And let me quickly show you the measurement from ground. This is from the ground, and you can see, and width you can figure out approximately. Again, I'm showing you the length. So this is how it looks from inside. You get this very thin. The zippers are quite good, you can rely on them. You get a zipper here. There's no other compartment, and this is the warranty, I guess. And now if you keep the laptop, you can figure out the space.